A few months ago, I refinished a white French provincial set in trade for this dresser. If you haven't seen that video, I will go ahead and link it at the end of this one. There was nothing wrong with this dresser, so this is going to make my job easy. I wanted to do something a little different, so I ordered some bamboo strips, which I will link in the description below. I'm super excited about this one, so you'll have to stick around to the end to see the final transformation. We're going to cut these. This is what I'm using. I don't know if you can see that. I already have them cut already. I used liquid nails to attach the bamboo to the drawer front, but I didn't have a caulking gun big enough, so I ended up having to use a tongue depressor to spread the glue all over. And then here I wanted to make sure that the bamboo lined up with the dresser above, so everything was nice and centered and in line. Using more liquid nails, I'm just making sure that I have a nice smooth layer before I attach the bamboo. You want to make sure that it's really stuck to it before you move along, or it will kind of bubble up where it's not attached. I did try to put some heavy weights on top of that bamboo to get it to attach to the drawer front, but it ended up not working very well, so I just flipped them over so they laid on their faces and everything seemed to stick okay. Was just a few little imperfections on the top of the dresser, so I used the Bondo to kind of help smooth things out, make it more even. after I was done painting, I thought it needed a little something more. So I went ahead and added a small trim piece around each drawer. I went ahead and added some wood filler. I'll go back and sand all of those down and use those weights to kind of keep everything held on. So far, so good. Next, we're going to tackle the top, kind of get things smooth, ready for painting again.